It's us again.
Done.
She finished her tablet. In a previous video, she made this.
Yep.
Show them the little hinge you put on there.
Oh,
Will help. Show the side. Show how it works. Cool. Huh? I did a little cutting for it because someone's afraid of the saw.
I don't like it.
What? You do. Whoa, don't bend it. Oh, you're going to break it again like this.
It stands up perfectly.
See? What we did a while ago is I took copper pieces out of a motor. A nice big copper spool from China. And we're just making one last video before we go. What are we doing? Not much anymore. Got a couple of weird pieces of metal. And we scrapped a, what was it? A heater. You just bent it down so you can have them watch you draw on a piece of wood. Loco.
I just wanted to laugh.
Yeah. So anyway, ouch, I just pinched myself with a piece of metal. We are gonna let you go. If you are watching our channel, my channel I should say, it's not ours, it's mine. Mine. If you're watching our channel, we do all kinds of random stuff here. This is just one of those random videos where...
Yeah, go to my channel. You'll see us trying food.
Yeah, give me the brush over there. Little bro. Yeah, she has a... It's listed on mine. It's called Famous Kaya's. We just did a video trying out some different types of
Japanese
or Chinese or Korean candies and stuff. So we just did one video. She got a bunch of toy videos. It's pretty cool. Me, I have all kinds of videos. I've just been making crazy videos. So if you watch this, go check out some of my shorts. I have all kinds of crazy little short videos. And that's it. Oh, and if you're subscriber number 1,337, you're awesome. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing.
Thank you. It's just
The shop is still moving. We don't know when.
please subscribe to me.
Yeah, subscribe to her. If anybody goes to our channel, Famous Kaya's. It's not
Please
famous yet,
subscribe.
but you can make her famous. She needs some more subscribers, so if you know any kids that want to subscribe or watch, I'll help her make some toy videos. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. I don't know. And I got a question. We pulled this out of inside of something. Anybody got any suggestions what we could do with it? I was thinking we can make a sign out of this. Some crazy sign.
Yeah, I was. I
Utah's
accidentally knocked some glass off and it's all over the floor.
She's Mrs. Break Glass.
I did not mean to do that.
So anyway, if anybody has a clue what we can do with this fancy little piece of plastic.
Look what I did. Just right now. Eh,
We need ideas. We need ideas.
this was just in it.
Yeah. It's for lunch. Anyway, I think I said this about 4 times now. We will see you on the other side. Thanks for watching. Toodles.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to me and him.
Yep, me and him.